guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I am doing my holiday decorate with me. Yes, I am putting up my Christmas decorations before Thanksgiving. That's just what I do. But I also have a clean with me coming out next week that'll be cleaning for Thanksgiving because we have 2 Thanksgivings in 1 week. So I have all my stuff out to decorate. It's crazy in my house. It's a mess. That's why the clean with me is coming, but I'm going to show you guys all of my holiday decorations. We won't be doing the tree in this video. That will be next week once my husband and I put up our tree, which will be this weekend. So I'm super excited. I have my Christmas socks on and I'm ready to decorate. So if you guys are interested, then keep watching. First thing that I'm going to tackle is this little letterboard. I got it at TJ Maxx right after Oakland was born, and this is the first time I'm using it. So while I'm waiting for my mom to get here, I'm just going to write out a cute little Christmas message. And if you know what movie this is from, comment it down below because it's one of my favorites. My mom came over to help watch Oakland and help me decorate, and the Grinch is playing in the background and Oakland is very into listening to it. So most of this is going to be voiceover of what I'm doing, but I'm so excited to start decorating. Oh man, it's going to be great. I hope it turns out the way it is in my brain. So the next thing I'm going to do is take this wreath that I got from Hobby Lobby last year and this bow that I found at the dollar store and hot glue it together so I can hang it onto my door. I ended up turning it a little bit so it's not so centered right on my door, but I love it. I think it's super Christmassy. And then I'm hanging up our stockings. We don't have a fireplace or a mantle to hang it on, so I'm just using little push pins, putting them in our wall pretty evenly, and just hanging up Riley's, mine, and Oakland's stockings this year. Next, I'm going to work on our TV stand, so I'm just going to quick wipe it down with the Mrs. Meyer's Mum Spray and a paper towel, and then I'm going to go in with some gold leaf garland. So it's an evergreen leaf covered in gold paint and glitter. It's so beautiful in person, it just sparkles. So I'm adding it to our TV stand, and I'm definitely going to double up on the layers just because it looks a little sparse. Also, comment below if you guys have seen the new Grinch and if you prefer the new Grinch to the Jim Carrey old school Grinch. Honestly, I like the new Grinch so much better. I think it's a lot more kid friendly and I love playing the new Grinch in my house. Now I'm taking this little tree that I found in the Target dollar section last year and using some baby ornaments that I also got from Target to decorate it. Now I'm moving into my dining room area, and I'm just these round red placemats and putting them in our 4 spots, then taking a clear vase that I got from the dollar store and taking some gold and silver ornaments. I actually ended up not using any silver, and I took the little balls from the tree and filled it, but you guys will see that. Also, look how cute Oakland is just following me around. She's so cute. But here I take out all of the silver ones, and I'm using the little balls from the Christmas tree to fill in just with gold. Then I have this wood serving plate from my wedding that I'm using as a nice farmhouse touch on the table. And now I'm just going to set the table because it looked pretty empty without plates and forks, and all my knives were in the dishwasher, so those will be added later. Now I'm in the living room. I'm just going to switch out that really bright yellow blanket for a more Christmas colored blanket to go with our living room a little bit better, putting it in our blanket basket, and then I'm going to work on the couch and obviously play with my little baby because she's so precious. Okay, back to the decorating. The red pillows are from Pier 1 a couple years ago, and the green pillows just came with our couch. And then that white pillow in the middle is from Target. Then I'm just clearing the space where our Christmas tree is going to go, so I'm putting away some of the baby stuff, putting it in a better spot, and then I moved over her Mama-Roo so that we have a corner for the Christmas tree. The last place to decorate is one of my kitchen counters. So I put the sign there. We always have a picture of Jesus in the corner. So I'm taking some of this gold garland and making it work. You'll see I end up changing everything. So I'm really not going to talk about it too much because everything gets switched by the end. My house is definitely not completely done, but I am going to be leaving our bedroom just the way that it is because we still have a 3-month-old and our night times need to be functional. And we haven't put up our Christmas tree quite yet, so that will be a whole different decorating on its own. But I'm going to give you guys one last overview of the places that we did decorate. And then on Monday, I'll be posting a clean with me, cleaning up this whole disaster, getting ready for Thanksgiving, the other holidays, and I'll show you like the whole house as it is once it gets cleaned. So thank you so much to my beautiful mom for coming over, helping me watch Oakland and giving me her design because I literally changed everything so many times. But let's do the last overview and then I'll end the video.